Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about webhooks. What is a webhooks in Cypress? See, all are the places we are going to use it for hooks like before and after to some method execution time, right? Why method execution time we required? Sometimes there is a database connection we need to a specific methods plus we want to use it. This webhooks to do it. Then how we can able to do it means we can able to use it by before and before each after each method there are four methods are presented in our Cypress. It's like a before, after, before each, after each methods are presented. What exactly this before each after each method means? See, before each method, what will happen? Imagine you have method 1 and also method 2 and you have method 3. These are the three methods are there. In these three methods time you want to execute your some database connections or some Excel file or YAML file, any other files you want to. Before that you need to initiate to loading to get the information. Then what you can able to use before each and after each, again before each and after each. Then this third method before we need to use before each and after each. But all the time, like all the times, only one browser we need to work, one particular browser. I don't want to open multiple browser. Single browser we need to work out. Then what we can able to use a before method. Then here last is after. These two methods, what will happen? It will execute only one time. Means before it will execute only one time in a execution. After also only one time in a execution. But after completing execution, after complete execution complete, right? After that it will execute. Before execution starting it will execute for one time. Okay, after each method, every method execution time it will execute. After also it will execute every method after execution. It's only before it will start every method before execution, every method after execution, after each method will be do it. This I'm going to show you for logs displaying. I'm not going to do for real time how we are going to use login file and again we are going to take some other, right? This kind of things it will take more time. That's why I'm going to take for simple logs creation and displaying those things. Okay. Now I'm going to simple way I'm going to use it. Here our suit I'm going to create is before eaching and function creation and then test case creation. Okay, and method 1 and function. Okay, this is my first function. The similar format I'm going to create for the three methods. Okay, method 1, method 2 and method 3. These are the three methods. Okay, what I want to print it here. I'm going to take cy dot a log method. Okay, in the log I'm going to define first method. Okay, same thing I can able to copy this one and I comes to here. Second, and again here third method. Okay, these are the three methods are presented. And how we can able to create our before after each methods means we can able to go to top and down also we can able to create, and top also we can able to, it will execute otherwise only, but it will take before after only the first time first execution, then after that methods execution. Okay, now I'm going to take it here. Now the till the date we are using 8 method to create our test case, right? Now we are going to take it for before. Okay, this is the way we can able to create before, and it's required for function. Mocho is required for hooks. You can able to describe also, sir. Describe hook to execute the given call function. The name of the function is used as a name of the hook, only available when invoking via Mocho command line CLI. Okay, then we can able to say function. I'm going to use for function, and here I'm going to mention. Here we can able to what all the things we are going to use, that everything it will execute before only one time in a execution. Before execution of other methods. Okay, and the same way we can able to use for after also, and here also we need to create a function and cy dot log after all methods execution. Okay, now and we need to use for before each, and again function creation, and we can able to specify like cy.log before method before each method execute. Okay, then same thing I'm going to do for after also, after each. Okay, and again I'm going to create the function, and again here also specify cy dot log. I'm going to keeping my word is saying that after each method execution. Okay, this is my concept, and whether this concept will work or not we need to see. Npx Cypress open. Once we done, it will open for our Cypress. We have to choose our project, and we need to go for Chrome browser choosing, and then we need to choose for our file. What is the file of ours is hooks. You can see once it will execute. Now it is not opening any browser. Now you can see before each is our title. Okay, after that I'm going to minimizing this one by one. We'll see here now. See, there are three methods it is presented, correct? Method 1, method 2, method 3, and you can see method 1, method 2, method 3, correct? Now I am going to click for method 1. Once I click the method 1, you can see before all what is there. So before each, okay, before execution of other method, you can see before execution of other methods. Okay. Now again you can see before each method execution, before each. What is the before each? This is the one. Okay. Then after that a method, first method. This is my first method. Then you can see after each method is executed. After each is having after each method execution. Right. Now second method I'm going to click. Here you can see before all it is not presented here. Inside this you can't see for before each, but sorry, before all you can't see, but before each you can see, right? Now you can see before each. It is after each, but there is no after method and before method. It is not there. Method 3 I'm going to click. Okay. Once I click the method 3 and you can see now before each, a method body, after each, then after all. Here also before it is not there. This is a format we can able to achieve hooks by using Cypress. The simplest format, this one. Okay. And you can try with your real-time examples, like what are the projects you have, right? Those projects you can invoke, then you can able to get it more understanding for this one. In case if you are suffering those things, you can comment in my video and I can able to try to help you. Okay. That's all about this video. I hope you understand this one. Please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.